Next, find Z12 and Z21. Z12 and Z21. So I can apply KVL here for this loop. Now tell me the equations. What I can say here: V1 is equal to R pi into I1 plus 0 into I2. I can say 0 into I2 isn't it? So this is the standard form of a Z parameter equations now here. From this Z matrix we can say this as what? R pi, this Z11, this is Z12. Next we can do the KCL at this node now here. Tell me the KCL at this node. What I can say here: the nodal equations, I2 is equal to V2 by R0 plus beta I1. So from this we will get the V2 now here. V2 is equal to what now here? Minus beta R0 into I1 plus R0 into I2. We can see that this is second form or second equation of the Z parameters. So from this I can write the Z parameters now. This is what now? Z21 how much? Minus beta R0, and this is R0. And of course they ask him to find, what they ask him to find here? Z12, Z21. So this is Z12 and this is Z21.